differentiation of trigonometric functions. Let's say we have a function y is equal to tan 4x plus 1, and we're asked to find the derivative. That means we're asked to differentiate it. Now, what do? Now, what we do is that you have 4x plus 1. So what we do is that we make a substitution, because you can't differentiate it like this. So you say, let u be equal to what? 4x plus 1. Now you go ahead to differentiate this u with respect to x. So it becomes du dx is equal to, if you differentiate 4x, you're going to have 4. If you differentiate 1, you're going to have 0. So what do we do next? We have said that this should be u. So we are going to say that y is going to be equal to tan u now, because you said let this be u. So we're also going to go ahead to differentiate y with respect to u. So it becomes dy du is equal to, if you differentiate tan u, what will you get? You get sec² u. So this is going to be sec² u. Alright? So finally, what will be dy dx? Dy dx is going to be equal to what? Dy du multiplied by what? Du dx. So that's going to be equal to what? What is our dy du? That is what? Sec² u multiplied by, what is our du dx? 4. So this multiplies this, we're going to have what? Dy dx is going to be equal to what? 4 sec² u. Alright? So now we're going to recall that u was equal to what? 4x plus 1. So that means the y dx is going to be equal to what? 4 sec² 4x plus 1. And then this gives us our answer. So when you differentiate this function, tan 4x plus 1, you're going to have what? 4 sec² 4x plus 1.